The smart home provides access to a wealth of LG Smart TV services. To open the smart home, press the Smart Home button on the magic remote control. The smart home displays all of the functions of your TV for easy access. The smart home is divided into Title area, Card area, and My Apps area. The Title area provides quick access to useful tools, such as those for controlling your network connection, editing cards, managing notifications, and signing in. The Live card appears on the very left of the card area. You can click the Live card to close the smart home and switch to the TV screen at any time. To the right of the Live card, there are cards which contain other content and function groups. You can rotate the wheel button forwards or backwards to scroll through the cards. Click the Edit icon at the top of the screen to enter edit mode and change the positions of the cards. To move a card in edit mode, point to the card that you want to move with a magic remote control, and then press and hold the wheel button as you drag the card to its new location. Release the wheel button to finish moving the card. The My Apps displays pre-installed system apps, such as Settings and User Guide, as well as downloaded apps. You can turn the wheel on the magic remote control to scroll through the apps in the My Apps. Select the More tab to see all of the apps on your TV and to relocate or delete apps. To relocate an app, point to the app that you want to relocate with the magic remote control, and then press and hold the wheel as you drag the app to its new location. Release the wheel button to finish moving the app. To delete an app, point to the app you want to delete with the magic remote control, and then press and hold the wheel as you drag the app to the trash bin at the top of the screen. Release the wheel button to delete the app. Even while watching TV, you can point to the bottom left corner of the screen with the magic remote control to open the My Apps. You can sign up and sign into your TV to access even more apps and services. To do so, select the Sign In icon at the top of the smart home to open the Sign In screen. If you don't have an LG TV ID, select the Sign Up button at the bottom of the screen. To sign up, simply enter some basic information, such as your email address, and create a password. After you have completed the sign-up process, you should receive an authentication email in your email inbox. Follow the steps listed in the authentication email to complete the authentication process. After you complete the authentication process, you can sign in to your LG TV account.